actually fit. I've got no idea what part of me is actually. I'm I'm getting a loitering message for loitering in the. I've got a bloody fine as well now. Lovely. So if I die now, I get shipped out to a. No, I'm saying that if I die in combat now, what's going to happen is that I have to get I have to respawn at the penal colony. Well, I did the first fight, didn't I? Nearly died. Yeah. Or 5, but yeah. It's frustrating. I really like being able to just absolutely destroy him once that 4th heart comes out. Just DPS the fuck out of him and get it over and done with. I'm locked to, so you go if it's good. Shall I try it? I have a threat 5. Yeah? Do you want me to? Oh, fuck. I just passed it. Well, yeah. Is that better than early? I don't know.
Frameshift drive charging. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, if you see a 6 come up, do you want to do it? It's normally a basilisk. Which means, yeah, 5, 6, and 7 is Basilisk, Cyclops, Basilisk, Medusa, in that order. And Basilisk has 5 hearts and a swarm of 48 Thargons. I've got a chrome paint job on this thing, so... Unlock, go. I am absolutely pointing in the wrong direction. I need to get over there real quick, don't I? Because you are unlikely to scan that little shit. Oh, it's coming for me anyway. Is he? Okay. Oh, dear God. Right, okay, well, he doesn't tend to attack until... Hello. Bonk. Oh, no, 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 no. Don't go out of range. What are you doing? What are you doing? Shit. Stop it. Oh, I'm still scanning him. Go. Got him. Hilarious.
Roger that. I'm booting up the fighter. Fighter standing by.
Is he hitting you? Well, that's fine.
I've got a hostile bearing down on me, Commander.
Okay, so I've got the swarm with me. I had them. Oh, for fuck's sake.
Taking heat damage.
Nice. Cool. I am. Nice. I'm just having a bit of fun with these Thargons at the moment. Alright. Nice. I'm not very good with these Thargons.
Target shields online.
But hopefully I'm just kind of... Oh, Caustics, thank you.
Sorry,
Apparently it's
Commander.
possible to
You're gonna have to pick up the repair
Skype
bill on
them.
this one. Fighter destroyed. I hope your insurance is up to date, Commander. Copy. I'm deploying the fighter. Fighter online. Ready to go. Roger that, Commander. Scanning for targets.
I had been, yeah. Okay, they're down to 4 now. I'm way
Heavy damage,
out of the
Commander.
pocket,
You may want to help me out.
so I'm going to
Shields are down.
come back and join you.
Target systems. Fighter's taking damage fast. Hull integrity
How's
compromised,
stuff
Commander.
been going down there? Nice. Yeah, I know. I could see. I am inbound very quickly.
Shields are down. Can you keep them off me while I regenerate, Commander? The hull's trashed. Not sure if I can stay in this fight much longer, Commander. Telepresence is online. We've lost it, Commander.
In range soon. Oh. Close. Oh, hello. Sorry. Drifting. Oh, sorry. Nice.
Target shields online.
Should this be the neutralizer?
Energy surge detected.
Yep, here it is. Yep, dodged it. Yep, fine.
Flight assist off. Under attack.
Okay. I'm
Okay, I'm in the
distracting the
hot
Goid.
seat. Initiating deployment. Fighter online. Ready to go. I've got a hostile bearing down on me, Commander.
Just took it off him. Oh, I'm loving these shield cell
Sorry,
banks. That's
Commander.
insane.
You're gonna have to pick up the repair bill on this
Full
one.
shields again. Got the heart out. Cheeky boy. Oh, hit him quick, hit him. Hit him. Oh, before the shields go. No, too late. Caustic Missile, excellent. Oh, I just dodged that.
The fighter's been
Hilariously.
out here, Commander. Can you pull them off me?
It comes out of his arse basically, and it came out of his arse, and I, oh no. Caustic damage detected. Right, okay, well. Nice. Was that me? Okay. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I did. Yes, I did.
Deployed.
Oh, fair enough.